बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद कमा बरकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। तमाम तारीफ़ अल्लाह के लिए, दुरूद सलाम नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़ात अक़दस के लिए। माय डियर स्टूडेंट, टुडे द टॉपिक that is being discussed now is ionic product of water. As it is known to many students, water is a weak electrolyte. It has very feeble, very less ionization. It is very poorly dissociate. Say water dissociate, it is dissociated into H positive and OH negative. As it is very weak electrolyte, so it is written as sign of reversibility is unequal. This is greater in backward direction and very lesser in forward direction. When its case is written, product H positive, molar concentration of H positive, molar concentration of OH negative. The product of H positive and OH negative, the product of molar concentration of H positive and molar concentration of OH negative over molar concentration of water. As it is a very weak electrolyte, it is a feeble ionizer. It ionizes to very less extent. It is a mild feeble electrolyte. So this can be neglected, this can be ignored, as it is so in excess, its concentration is fairly kept constant. So Kc into H2O is equal to product of molar concentration of H positive and molar concentration of OH negative. This Kc into H2O is equal to this product. This product is the product of water. So this Kc into H2O, this may be written as Kw. Kw, ionic product constant of acid, ionic product constant of water. And it is found practically the value of Kw is equal to 10 exponent minus 14. When we take antilog of this equation on both sides, antilog, negative log, inverse log, reciprocal log, negative log of Kw, negative log H positive This becomes equal to 14. This becomes equal to pKw. Negative log of H positive becomes pH. This negative log of pOH. So pH plus pOH of water is equal to pKw is equal to 14. Therefore, the maximum range of this pH is 0 to 14. When 1 mole of water, suppose 1 mole of water dissociate, 1 mole of H ion and OH ions are produced. H ion and OH ion which have been produced, which have been obtained, are equal in concentration. If these are equal in concentration, means H positive and OH are equal. So this equation may be written as H positive, H positive. Here, as it is a feeble, it is a very weak electrolyte, so it can be written as minus 14. Now this H positive into H positive, this becomes H positive square. This is equal to 10 power minus 14, 10 exponent 14. On taking under root of both sides, this becomes H positive, this becomes 10 power minus 17. If we take negative log of these two, negative log is taken on both sides, it becomes pH, it becomes 7. So pH of water is 7. As pH of water is 7, here the concentration of H positive and OH negative is equal. Therefore, this equation may be written as negative log 10 exponent 7 is equal to negative log OH negative. This OH negative at its negative log, this becomes POH. This becomes 7. So pH and POH of water is same, that is equal to 7. When we take negative log of molar concentration of H positive into molar concentration of OH negative and negative log of 10 exponent minus 14, it becomes pH plus POH is equal to 14. If pH is 7, POH is 7, and their sum is equal to 14. If a system has pH 5, if a system has pH 5, what will be its pOH? pH plus pOH is equal to 14. System has pH 5. Then the pOH of the system will be 14 minus 5, 9. That is 9. If a system has pOH 1, then its pH will be 14 is equal to pH plus pOH. pOH is 1 and pH will be 14 minus 1 is equal to 13. In this way, pH 13, pH 1, if it is taken to this side, 13 plus 1, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. To sum of pH and pOH never exceeds 14. For example, if a system has pH 3, then its pOH will be 14 minus 3, 11, because pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So, only one thing should be considered, otherwise there will be some confusion. We say pH scale 0 to 14, 0 to 7, 0 to 7, acidic pH. As a system has lesser pH, less than 7, it will be more acidic. Greater than 7, more basic. It is a basic pH. So this is pH scale. Only one thing should be considered. We must keep in mind only pH. From pH, pOH can be calculated. By definition and mathematical equation, pH is negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. pH is inverse log of hydrogen ion concentration. pH is reciprocal log of hydrogen ion concentration. If an acid is 100% pure, it is in unionized form, its pH cannot be determined practically. pH is only can be determined if each ion touch the surface of electrode. If these are found in unionized form, then pH cannot be determined practically. Nowadays, we say concentration does not matter. We say concentrated acid. Concentration does not matter. Only activity or active mass. Active mass, the ionized mass, the actual mass, that is more valuable, that is more important. For example, active mass is directly proportional to concentration. Active mass is equal to F20C, activity coefficient. If a solution is very dilute, very dilute, then active mass is equal to its activity coefficient. Then all concentration is active concentration, active mass. So this equation is nowadays considered more valuable. Mostly very dilute solutions of acid or bases are used in practical work. So very dilute solution, we say molar concentration. That molar concentration is also, if solution is very dilute, as active concentration or active mass. So for very dilute solution, so this equation pH is equal to minus log of molar concentration of H ion, pH is equal to negative log of active mass of hydrogen ion. These are considered alike. These are considered same. Now some numericals for further guidance are here being taught. For example, calculate pH of number 1 0.01 molar HCl. Number 2 0.0001 molar nitric acid. Now some hints are here, are provided to student in a very simple way. 1 molar HCl. HCl is equal to H ion plus chloride ion. If we multiply with 1 molar, either in the same way on this side 1 mole may be multiplied. So it becomes 1 molar H ion and 1 molar chloride ion. We are much more concerned with concentration of H ion because pH is related with concentration of H ion. This can be omitted. So concentration of H ion 1 mole. Concentration of, if here it is 0.01 mole H ion. So this concentration, this bracket shows molar concentration. It may be 1 molar concentration, maybe 0.1 molar concentration, maybe 0.01 molar concentration, any concentration. So here the concentration of H ion is 0.01 molar. By definition of pH, negative log of H ion, negative log of H ion concentration, this becomes pH. Here negative log (0.01 molar). negative log 10 raised power minus 2. Log 10 raised power minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus, then pH is 2. So pH of 0.01 molar ACl is 2, and pH of 0.01 molar ACl, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH is 2, and pOH of 0.001 molar ACl will be 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Now, some confusions arise. Student could not sometimes properly understand, properly determine, properly calculate the concentration of H ion. Say sulfuric acid, it is equal to 2H ion plus 1 sulfate ion. 1 mole sulfuric acid, 2 molar H ion, 1 mole sulfate ion. If there is 0.01 molar sulfuric acid, this 0.0 molar should be multiplied with this becomes equal to 0.02 molar H ion. Student commit commonly some mistakes, so they forgive 1 mole of H2SO4 contains 2 mole H ion. So here the problem arises. They consider as 0.1 mole. So this mistake should be keep in mind, which student most commonly commit. If pH is known, we can find out the concentration. For example, pH of a solution is 0. Say pH of a solution is 2. What will be the concentration of H ion? So pH is equal to 2. This pH is equal to, so negative log of hydronic concentration, we have to determine this H ion concentration. pH is 2, negative log. This negative log is taken this side, this becomes anti-log of 2. This is the H ion concentration. On taking anti-log of 2, this becomes 0, 1. In this way, from pH, concentration of H ion can be calculated. From concentration of H ion, pH can be calculated. Okay, student.